Hello, I'm Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with ASB. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with reaction to the deal yesterday for Allied Farmers to buy Hanover Finance for $400 million worth of shares. Well, Allied Farmers says they're worth $400 million. There's now big questions about how much they might really be worth when they're traded on the stock market. Essentially, it's a big punt on the share market for debenture holders in Hanover Finance and United Finance. Market commentator and Shareholders Association chief Bruce Sheppard is actually livid about the deal. He's going to Wellington today to try and convince the government to put Hanover Finance into statutory management. He says the bondholders will probably accept this deal because they're desperate to get out of Hanover Finance, but he says they're dumb. Brian Gaynor, who's a fund manager and commentator, is sceptical about the deal too. Meanwhile, news yesterday that New Zealand may be rich. According to GNS survey, we have big oil and gas reserves off our coasts. 6.5 billion barrels worth of oil, worth $67 billion. Apparently enough to fix our current account deficit. We'll see. There is the curse for the oil discoverers. And out of the US overnight, news that US housing starts were disappointingly weak in October, the lowest in 6 months. 529,000 starts in October versus 600,000 expected, and the US stock market was down. I'm Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with ASB.